Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question minimum absolute difference between binary search tree. So you are given root of binary search tree, return the minimum absolute difference between the values of any two different nodes in the tree. So let's see the example. So you are given this binary search tree and output is 1 because the minimum absolute difference between two nodes is 1. This part. I guess this part also fine. So 1. And between 4 and 2, difference is 2, right? And then between 4 and 6, the difference is also 2. So that's why we should return 1 in this case. Okay, so let me explain with this example. So this is example 1. So to solve this question, I use a in-order traversal. So let me explain why I use in-order for this question, not pre-order or post-order. So these three are like a in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, and the post-order traversal. So the reason why I use in-order traversal is that so in binary search tree, the values in the left subtree of a node are always smaller than current value, and the value in the right subtrees are always larger. So when we traverse binary search tree in order, so we visit nodes in ascending order, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, right? So using an in-order traversal allows us to consider all possible pairs of adjacent nodes and find the minimum absolute difference among them. Other traversal orders like pre-order or post-order would not guarantee visiting the nodes in ascending order, which would make it more difficult to calculate minimum absolute difference, like a 4 to 1, 3, 6 or 1, 3, 2, 6, 4. Yeah, it's obvious. This order of these numbers are difficult to calculate. So ascending order is easy to calculate, right? So that's why we use in-order traversal for this question. Yeah, so that's the basic idea to solve this question. So with that being said, let's get into the code. Okay, so let's write the code. First of all, initialize min if. So float and if. So this is our return value. And then prib var initialized with num. And then call in order. So root passing the root node. And then return min diff. So let's create an in order function as an inner function. So def in order, taking a node, and so for reference, non-local min diff and a prib var, and then if node dot left, so we go down the left side, so call in order and node dot left. If not the case, so now we reach the null. In that case, if prib var is not known, in the case calculates the minimum difference. So min diff equal min. So current min diff versus no current value minus prib value. So this prib value should be ascending order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, something like that. So that's why we can calculate a minimum absolute difference with this formula. And then after that, so current value should be previous value, right? So that's why update prib var equal node.var. And then go to right side if we have right child, so node.right, and then call in order, and then node.right. Yeah, that's it. So let me submit it. I got error in typo in order. Yeah, so let me submit again. Looks good. And the time complexity of this solution should be order of n, where n is the number of nodes in the binary search tree. So this is because we need to visit every node once to perform the in-order traversal and calculate the minimum absolute difference. So that's why. And the space complexity is order of h, where h is the height of binary search tree, In the worst case, where binary search tree is skewed, like a straight line, in that case, space complexity should be order of h. Yeah, so that's all I have for you today. If you like it, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, or leave a comment. I'll see you in the next question.